You're watching LPS Tank. Mommy, I want a fish tank. Okay, honey, I'll go phone up the guys. Cool. Hello?
Yes. Okay. Alright, bye. You got a tank job. Let's go.
Perfect.
Here you go. Hurry! Okay. Okay. Yeah. So.
Will they make the tank in less than an hour? Find out on LPS Tank 2.